pointing a laser at a plane is just a joke. It's not. The glass in front of the pilot, it has tiny scratches on it. You cannot see them, but they matter when a laser hits the glass. The light spread everywhere. Inside the cockpit, it suddenly becomes blinding. For a few seconds, the pilot cannot see properly. And in the air, even a movement like that is dangerous. It can even lead to a crash. That's why this joke is a serious crime. Do this and you could face up to 5 years in jail and a fine of up to 2 lakh rupees.